See the next problem. Find Fourier cosine and sine transform of e power minus ax for a greater than 0. For a greater than 0. Next, hence deduce the integral 0 to infinity cos sx by a square plus s square dx. ఈ integral find out చేయమంటున్నారు. Second one, integral 0 to infinity s sin ss by sx by a square plus s square dx. So, first, what is our question? Find the Fourier cosine transform of e power minus ax. Second question, find the sine transform of Fourier sine transform of e power minus ax. After that, find out these two integrals. So, we start the given function e power minus ax. We start with cosine transform. Okay. See the solution. Let f of x is equal to e power minus ax. Now, first we see the Fourier cosine transform. Okay. Fourier cosine transform of f of x. F of x means Fourier cosine transform of f of x. Definition is integral 0 to infinity f of x cos sx dx. In next step, substitute f of x. That is equal to e power integral 0 to infinity e power minus ax cos sx dx. Now this is in the form of integral e power ax cos bx dx. What is this value? Now this value is e power ax cos bx dx. ఇందాక చెప్పానమ్మా లాస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లంలో కూడా సేమ్ ఈ ఫార్ములాని అప్లై చేసినాం. e power ax by a square plus b square a into cos bx plus b sin bx. Now in place of a we have minus a, in place of b we have cos sx. By using that formula we get e power minus ax by a square plus s square minus a into cos sx plus s into b means s into sin sx. Apply limits 0 to infinity. Now we get first limit infinity. E power minus a into infinity means e power minus infinity means 0. By anything into anything is 0. So for upper limit infinity we get the first term 0 minus next 0 application. In place of x put 0. E power minus 0 means e power 0 by a square plus s square minus a into cos 0 means 1 and minus a into 1 means minus a plus s into sin 0. Sin 0 means 0. Kabatti second term 0. Now minus e power 0 1 minus 1 by this value into minus a. Minus 1 into minus a means a by a square plus s square, which is Fourier cosine transform of f of x. Another symbol is FCS. Okay, this is equation 1. This is FCS. Now see the sine transform of f of x. Okay, Fourier sine transform of f of x means fs f of x. That is by definition integral 0 to infinity f of x sin sx dx. Okay, substitute what is fx? E power minus ax. Now use the formula e power ax sin bx dx. In place of a we have a minus a. In place of b we have s. Now it can be written as e power minus ax by minus a whole square plus s square. ఇక్కడ a sin bx ఫస్ట్ రావాలమ్మా. a means minus a sin sx minus b cos sx. b means s cos sx. Apply limits 0 to infinity. Already sin formula previous problem లో వేసినాము. Now apply first limit infinity, upper limit e power minus infinity 0. So the first term completely 0. Then apply 0. We get e power 0 means 1 by a square plus s square minus a sin 0. అంటే మొత్తంగా sin 0 0 కాబట్టి ఇది 0 అయిపోతుంది. Minus s cos 0. Cos 0 1 minus s into 1 minus s. ఇక్కడ minus s ఉంది, ఇక్కడ minus 1 ఉంది. కాబట్టి minus 1 into minus s plus s by a square plus s square. Now this put as equation 2, which is fs. By inverse cosine transform, f of x is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to infinity fcs cos sx dx. This is for deduction. See equation 1. See equation 1. fcs is equal to a by s square plus a square plus s square. See the equation 1. From this integral 0 to infinity a by s square plus a square cos sx dx is equal to ఈ 2 by pi ఆ సైడ్ పంపించండి. ఆల్రెడీ f of x ఉంది, ఇది ఆ సైడ్ వెళ్తే f of x into pi by 2 అవుతుంది. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ f of x into pi by 2. సో దిస్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ 0 to infinity a by s square plus a square cos sx dx is equal to, now ఇక్కడ here 2a is there ma, bring outside 2a by pi 1 by a square plus s square means cos sx by a square. A బయట తీసేస్తే you have integral 1 by a square plus s square cos sx dx. ఆల్రెడీ 2 ఈ సైడ్ వెళ్ళింది అంటే బయట వెళ్ళిపోతే 2a by pi ఇది, అది ఈ సైడ్ వచ్చేస్తే ఓన్లీ ఇంటిగ్రల్ మాత్రమే ఇక్కడ ఉంచండి. బ్రింగ్ దిస్ అవుట్ అదర్ సైడ్ f ఆఫ్ x ఇంటూ ఇక్కడ 2a ఉందమ్మా, పై డినామినేటర్లో ఉంది, ఈ సైడ్ వెళ్ళేసరికి పై ఇంటూ అవుతుంది. ఈ 2a కాస్త అంటే ఇక్కడ ఉంది 2a, ఏ బయట తెచ్చామనుకోండి 2a కిందకి వెళ్ళిపోయింది. Now substitute f of x. You get this integral value is equal to e power minus ax into pi by 2 into a. Similarly, by inverse sine transform from this one, fs f of x is. Okay, it can be written as f of x is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to infinity fs s sin sx dx. What is Fourier sine transform of f of x? S by s square plus a square. Substitute here in this one. Now you get f of x is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to infinity. What is this value? S by a square plus s square sin sx dx. Now we need only this integral value. Now bring these two terms out other side. F of x is here into pi by 2 avutundamma. Now this integral is equal to f of x means e power minus ax into ఇది ఆ సైడ్ వెళ్తే pi by 2. Okay, this is the first integral evaluation and this is the second integral. Okay, which are the derived integrals, required integrals. Okay, the next problem, find Fourier sine transform of f of x is equal to 1 by x. Now what is Fourier sine transform of f of x definition? From definition, fs f of x is equal to integral 0 to infinity f of x sin sx dx. Now see here, integral 0 to infinity, in place of f of x you put 1 by x. So 1 by x into sin sx dx means sin sx by x dx. This is the fixed value, this is formula, and this is equal to pi by 2. So 2 marks lo kaani bits lo kaani adutuntaru. Okay.